socio-economic transformation yakhumbula. So kwabonakala ke ukuthi hayi fanele akhishwe ke manje ngoba njengoba sisho ukuthi wena nawulwela umuntu omnyama uyisitha kibo, and imedia vele ngendlela ioperator ngayo unfortunately has damaged a lot of South Africans, because abantu into embi nayirepeatwa and repeatwa ukuthi ayimkhwebane incompetent lose ama case. Mawunga go back to my record, I'm the first public protector ngokuthola 3 clean audit in the history of that office. Ne performance nje it was exponentially increase, and nabantu esibancedile under my leadership there are a lot compared to currently, where a lot of people baya lapha abanye basangibhalela namanje ukuthi no public protector uthe angeke akhona ukusinceda fanele siye court or indaba. So unfortunately people are still impacted. Currently small tenders are given to Bidvest. It's a big company yabo Johan Rupert. Kani ngabe kunikezwa small companies, but thina si umkhonto wesizwe sithi we will have to insource a number of things. Nalawo matenda siyabona ukuthi they cause a lot of problems, because atholwa the very same white people or abantu already who are already empowered. So akunakuthi kube possible to create more employers, because now nama SMM is amaningi who create ama employers amaningi compared to ukuthi only abantu abachashayo government nama big companies and SOEs nama mines. But then if you have a lot of small companies now are creating employment which we need to benefit from. So I then said to myself, our policies were MK, they are very progressive, and having seen the achievements of President Zuma, and then I told myself, it's possible to do that. We are kumbulanang indaba yomhlaba wakwazi ukuthi athi igwe ANC acceptani 6% EFF, so that isizokwazi expropriate umhlaba without compensation. But kwenzakalani ke iANC kusho ukuthi kudala ke labo bebakhona ba captured bangakuvumeli lokho ukuthi kwenzakala.
Sisengxakini ngalabantu abasibambezele nje empilweni, kodwa ke ngokumkhonto usukhona ukhulu kakhulu okukhona okuzayo usukhona ke manje emkhontweni, futhi siyakubona uyasebenza eMpumalanga. Imapha ama challenge okwabhekana nawo mangabe ungena emkhontweni eMpumalanga, because ikhona lento le kuyakhulumeka nje ubona ukuthi ikhona lento engathi yimpi ekhona eMpumalanga, but ukwazi ukudlula kanjani kule yanto?
Yeah, you know, there's nothing edlula ukuthi ungaluzi focus. Normally nangisese umvikelo mphakathi bengithatha ukuthi ku staff sami eofficeini you know, whatever we do kuzaba nomsindo around us, but thina as focus in la siyakhona. Ngibaphi example yekhehla elaligibela ilisamita mountain, kunama snows, kunama storms, kuna everything, bagibela abanye bajika babuyele emuva, but lona laya phambili baloko balitshela ukuthi hey kuyafiwa phezulu, hayi la vele laya phezulu, la gcina lisamitile lifikile phezulu, nalibuya phansi balibuza ukuthi how likhona enjani kani linomzukulu walo eduzani kwalo. Umzukulu wathi hayi umkhulu akezwa. Uyayibona le ndaba?
Yeah.
Umkhulu ngabe ulalele lama naysayers, yabona ngabazange afikele phezulu.
Ngaba kafika ngubalalelile manje akezwa.
Now you need to be like that, Maui leader. Ezinye you look at the price, because mina manje I'm looking at 2026. Ukuthi si build njani ama structures. Nanoma kunama noise amaningi, because mina nga-announce uPresident Zuma nge-25 zaka October ukuthi angiye eMpumalanga, make sure ukuthi ngithola i-task team engizosebenzisana nayo ukuthi sidile ngama challenges waseMpumalanga. Kwakucomplainiwa ukuthi there's a lot of problems. I mean, we are the opposition party.
umkhonto uthanda kakhulu.
Gwaza umkhonto gwaza.
Gwaza.
Yes. Kakhulu because kwathi mang removiwa 2023 ngo-October, then nga-approachwa i-EFF, ngajoyina i-EFF leso sikhathi ngisitshela ukuthi ayi ngisaqhubeka ukulwa lempi yengcindezelo yomuntu omnyama, because that's my focus ukuthi la ngikhona ngisalwa impi yokuthi singakhulula njani isizwe somuntu omnyama. So ke ngagcina ke ngo-October 2024 sengijoyine ke umkhonto wesizwe. So the first thing was the fact that ubaba wekhaya ukumkhonto wesizwe, kanti ke kudala nje vele nami inhliziyo yami semkhonto.
Angazi ivolume sound esizwakala.
Uyangizwa?
Yeah, sengiyakuzwa manje.
Oh, bengena ikholo. Yes, ngagcina ngijoyina umkhonto wesizwe ngoba ngithanda ama policies wemkhonto wesizwe. Le ndaba yomhlaba siyawufuna umhlaba.
Imakhomanda uthi nawe inhliziyo yakho ibisemkhontweni but umzimba ukwi-EFF ne?
Injalo ngoba umzimba bese uku-EFF after umkhonto uqaliwe sengikumkhonto ngibona ukuthi hayi ama policy wona womkhonto nalawo we-EFF wona yafana. In fact, I would say 80% almost similar things esizifunayo ngoba ukulwela amalungelo wabantu abamnyama. But at the end of the day kwathi ke nakufika at the right time ukuthi hayi angiphume ku-EFF ngivule ispace for abantu be-EFF baqhubeke nayo, mina ke ngizoyibamba ngapha emkhontweni ngizokwazi ukuthi ngilekelele uPresident Zuma, because I've also seen ukuthi kusukela kudala and wa persecutwa nama policies izinto azenzile nje. The first president after democracy wakama university ayi2, I mean infrastructure development, ama bridge, inkolo, building. So achieve a lot. I mean nendaba ke yama ARVs, uyakhumbula abantu bebabhubha kangakanani. So is the first president to do that. And kwakuphileka ke ngesikhathi saka President Zuma, unlike now. A lot of SMMEs operate, abantu bayahlupheka, abantu ama-business abasenawo. It's even worse because during President Zuma's time, bothola ama-businesses kunama set aside. You remember 30% set aside for ama-businesses ukuthi in any sector fanele kube nama-businesses khasayo azo benefita from that. But then kwanele kwangena uPresident Ramaphosa, all those things were cancelled. Indaba zaboma mining charters are cancelled. Indaba zaboma triple BEE as aksana any people are no longer compelled like before. Then that thing it perpetuated is a lot of a gap again, poverty, because a lot of people are unemployed. Indaba zokuvala kwama power stations nje eMpumalanga we are affected kakhulu. Ikoma ziyavalwa, ungitshela ukuthi ubaba oyi1 of umama oyi1 imndeni engaki affected. Uyayibona into njengaleyo. So what I'm saying is uPresident Zuma irecord lakhe lokuthi akhiphe umuntu omnyama from enhluphekweni, it's very good. And manje wakhishelwani ke because second term yakhe bese kazofocus ku radical social economic transformation, yakhumbula. So kwabonakala ke ukuthi hayi fanele akhishwe ke manje ngoba njengoba sisho ukuthi wena na ulwela umuntu omnyama uyisitha kibo, and imedia vele ngendlela operator ngayo unfortunately has damaged a lot of South Africans, because abantu into embi na repeatwa ukuthi ayimkhwebane incompetent lose ama case. Manga go back to my record, I'm the first public protector nokuthola 3 clean audit in the history of that office. Ne performance nje it was exponentially increase and nabantu esibancedile under my leadership, there are a lot compared to currently where a lot of people baya lapha abanye basangibhalela namanje ukuthi no public protector uthe angeke akhona ukusinceda fanele siye court or indaba. So unfortunately people are still impacted. Currently, small tenders are given to Bidvest. It's a big